Alright guys, we're back. It's been a long time. I'm pretty sure I have half shot and half edited about 6 videos. This is going to be the one that makes it to YouTube finally. This is the state of the car currently. I know it's been a while. I think the last you saw, we were still, painting the kit. So I'm going to take the camera from my little assistant who keeps giggling. So currently, the kit is painted. It's been on the car for a while. The wheels are on. The rear roof spoiler's on. Everything is on. This is the current setup of the car. And today, we are going to be installing a full livery, like a full drift style livery. This is something I've dreamt of for like literally ever since I've been into cars. So this is going to be sick. I just spent the last few days printing it, designing it on Photoshop, etc. And here are the pieces. So you'll see more of it as I start to stick it on, but I'm going to basically start with this big piece, this big sharp triangular piece that comes up this way. Then I'm going to layer on the flame. There's a big gold flame that's going to come up the entire side of the car, and then another smaller triangular piece over here. So the triangles are going to be chrome and the flame is going to be gold. Yeah, this is literally a dream come true. So I'm going to start by cleaning the surface. I don't want to use any like dishwashing liquid or something because that's going to make the vinyl not stick. So I'm just going to get some hot water, wash it off, get a microfiber cloth and dry it. I'm going to quickly buzz off the side skirt because for now I don't want to include that. It's easier to add the material later if I think I need it, but right now I'm not sure if I'm going to like the look. So I'm just going to exclude the side skirt now because it does have the perfect BM Sports sticker on it already. But yeah, got my assistant behind the camera who's going to be giggling the whole time. Yeah, let's get to it. So I'm going to start by taking off the side skirt. Bunnings, please sponsor me.
He's so cute.
Oh shit.
Oh my god. Who thinks Matt needs to wash his car?
Needs to what?
Wash his car, look at this.
Yeah, alright, relax, mate. So if this goes well on my car, and I run it for a few months and like all is perfectly fine, I'll start offering this as a product that can be purchased. It'll be like a flat rate of like $200-300 and I will do everything. So I'll design it, order the materials, cut it all for you, and either send it off or even install it for you, but we'll see how this goes. Yeah, I think that'd be pretty sick to be able to offer that to people.
Is it working?
I think so. Nice. There's a correct way to do this and I'm not doing it, but I think it'll still hold. Alright, it's mocked up. Let's give it a whirl. Over the crank. Holy shit, that's gonna look insane. That's literally what dreams are made of.
Are you gonna put the thing back on?
Side skirt? Yeah, side skirt will go on. Holy shit.
Oh my gosh.
Damn, that's fucking insane. Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Currently Sarah and I are on the way to JDM Speed The Bend. We've got mum and my sister in the support car behind us with the rest of the motorsport stuff. I've got a driver's meeting in like an hour and setting up the stand, and then I'm going on track. And yeah, I'll try and document the day as best as possible. It should be pretty cool. It's very, very exciting, but yeah, we're just very tired. But yeah, so hopefully we'll see you at the track if I don't forget to record, and we'll have some good footage for it. After that intro, I didn't actually film anything. The day got really crazy. The merch stand was popping off, everything was going on. So here's the in-car footage. And I'm sure you would have seen what the event looked like on the Instagram page. But yeah, let's get into the racing. get the tyres warm on the first lap, make sure everything's working alright, and then we'll fucking go crazy. I've started to really get the hang of everything. Car feels fucking wild. I've been battling this Pulsar behind me like most of the time. He's giving it the beans, I will too. This corner's about fucking 130. I can take it really easily. I'll try and get a bit faster next time. This one's a really tight hairpin. It takes a lot of braking. Got a Supra up in front of me. We go heel toe, be getting a bit of that action going. Beautiful. The car's a fucking freak right now. It's got the welded diff, but it just fucking turns on a dime. It's absolutely insane. Got the Pulsar going behind me. There we go. He was giving me grief earlier. That's a fast car with a fast driver. Good on him. Alright, I'm gonna fucking attack this Subaru now. Let's go! Look at that, I'm gonna be easy! Oh, I might have to overtake him. That'd be cool. So, second. We're gonna shoot out of this. He's going to destroy me on the straights, but I'm going to try my best to get him in the corners. I've never overtaken anyone until this last session right here, so I'm not sure whether to go inside, outside. Looks like, yeah, he's heaps slow. I can take that. I'm going to try and get a bit aggressive now. Yeah, I reckon I got this here. There we go, he's going wide, I think. Nah, I don't know what they're doing. Ah, sick. Let's go. Come on, buddy. Their car's way faster than mine, but you know, it comes down to how familiar you are with her. And just the driver's experience with stuff like this. Get away now, but I'll ping in third, see what happens. Get close to the wall. Woo! Zooming. Yeah, they brake pretty early. I'll try and get past very soon. Give it the beans, when I say. All goes well. Got David behind me, fucking legend. Let's go, David! Got one of the homies behind me in his garage, fucking race car shit. Love it. Let's go, Ryan. He's holding me. He's holding me very well. Heavy braking on this one, very heavy. Heel toe third, heel toe second. Start accelerating, get around. There we go. Nice and wide. Off the gas, a little bit of brakes. Transfer the weight to the front, let's go. Yeah! This is fast! Let's go! I got these turbo cars. There we go, me and David getting past. Let's go, Dave! I've got this 240 in the corner. Sorry, 180SX. I've got him in the corners quite easily. Just these turbos, so he absolutely smokes me on the straight. Trying to get past him. Nah, he's got it. Yeah, David! past me, that's him in the front there. Fucking top lad. There we go. Alright, now there's no one behind me. I don't have to worry about being overtaken. I just fucking go quick. Let's go. Get the line right. There we go. Fuck, this is my favourite part. It's so fucking fast. 110, 120, 130. 110 around this one. Heavy braking. Want to get second? Yeah, there we go. Second gear, let's go out the corner. Bang it, third. Let's go 100, 110, 120, 125, 130, 135, 140. There we go. Back to third. This bank corner, you go so fast. Oh yeah, these brakes are absolutely ridiculous. I've got the turbo Supra brakes on, they're just fucking mental. Let's get nice and close to the people. Some debris on the track there. I think we're all good to go. I haven't seen the lights yet. Oh, that's a tight corner. That throws me around big time. You're on YouTube.
Right now?
Yeah, live stream.
That's not a thing, is it?
Instagram live stream.
Are you live streaming?
No, I'm joking.
Oh
Oh my god, this is gonna go so cool. It stabilizes.
That was hectic. Yeah, no, that's why I'm like, how do I work this machine?